secret since I'm on my weight loss journey. So I have this sparkling peach cider that you can get from your local grocery store, Kroger, Walmart, whatever. So let's just cheers to that. 6 years on YouTube and my birthday. So we'll have a little sippy sip, talky talk, all of that. Cheers to you all. I appreciate you all so much for rocking with me and everything like that. And yes, I am just happy to say I've been here inconsistently for 6 years, and I just thank God for you all. So cheers to you all and all my beautiful CC fam. Okay, let's get into some presents. Now, what would a birthday be without getting a few things from your girl, Victoria's Secret? You know, you're cruising through the mall. You know, just gotta get a couple of things always, either from Bath and Body Works and or Victoria's Secret. So well, not today, but I got some things from Victoria's Secret. Okay. Now, I got this body lotion. It's the Very Sexy Orchid. It's lotion, body lotion, and I can layer this with my Very Sexy Orchid perfume that they have. I really like it. It's a beautiful plum perfume, so if you into plums, go run in there and get it. It's gonna be really good for the fall. Sorry about the bag. Also, I've been on a hunt for this too. So the Coco Vanilla Body Oil, I got that. I secured it today at Victoria's Secret. Yeah, I got it. I'm so happy. So I got that to moisturize and layer because we're wearing a lot of vanillas and things like that, and I thought it'd be good to incorporate that scent into my body care for the colder months. Also, they had a body scrub. This is a whipped body scrub, so it's moisturizing. Yes. Yep, and they had a sale 2 for $15. I think that's typically the sale for the pink collection. Also, finally, if you still like to wear the OGs like Love Spell, Pure Seduction, guess what? They got candles, okay? So I got the good, and it smells just like it. It's $20 a pop. It's no sale on it as of yet, but hold your breath. Maybe Black Friday they'll have a 2 for $20 sale. Right now, each one is $20 a pop. So this is Pure Seduction, and it's just kind of like a single candle. And this bag is not trying to work for me today. But I also have Love Spell. Can y'all see it? And without even really just smelling it, like it's so strong just right here. You can smell it through the bag. It's so good. So they also have Bare Vanilla and what was the other flavor? I can't really recall. But the 2 OGs, Love Spell and Pure Seduction, they had that in there. And then the last thing that I got was, let me put this bag there. Okay. The last thing I got is the Victoria's Secret Tease Sugar Fleur. Can you see it? Yep. And I'm still on the fence on getting the fragrance, so I figured I love body butters, and it did have a seal on it, but I wanted you all to see the inside. So yes, this is body of the butter, and it's a nice almost cotton candy kind of mixed with the Tease DNA. So it's a really good one. It's gonna be really good for the winter months. So this is all the things I got. Just a few things, nothing too much, nothing too heavy, just here and there from Victoria's. So, you know, I'm chilling with my peach apple cider. Okay, Take a little bougie swag, okay? There were some shoes, and yes, Instagram made me buy it. But honey, I don't regret it, not 1 minute. So these boots, I want you to get into it. These are like a duo chromatic type shoes. I see about 4 colors. I see a good old sickening purple, and a green, a blue if you turn it the right way, an orange, and a yellow, and a little bit of pink. So I saw these ankle or knee-high boots. Not quite knee-high and not quite an ankle, but yeah, I saw these little booties on 9west.com. Oh my god, they were like hit $200, but if you're a first-time customer through 9west.com, they give you a sickening, I think 30% off your first purchase. So this knocked it down to like just over $100 to ship it to the house. So yes, I love these. These are so cute. Got a little ruching and everything, and I mean, just amazing. And it's pink on the inside. The AKAs would appreciate that, okay? Yes, sorors. So yes, I love these booties. They are so cute. I think they're gonna be a sickening staple, and really I could wear them all year round. So this was a great investment piece. So I like these. So thank you 9west.com for working with your girl for her birthday. So this is a quick, cute birthday shoe that I scored, and I'm so happy that I bought it. And just look out for it for Black Friday. It may be cheaper than what I paid for it. So, all right. The personal written note. Congratulations on 5K subscribers. And you are amazing. Keep going, Queen. Michael Kors. That's a nice personal touch. So thank you. Oh, y'all ready? Boom. This purse is thebomb.com, baby. Look at the details, okay? I love, if I could get a tote bag that has the handle, I can put my wrist through it. We in there, baby, okay? So, I love the chain detail right here, the MK. Whew. It's perfect. This is the Lina bag, and this is so perfect for right now. It's fall, and we're breaking out, you know, our neutrals and bold colors. So this is a perfect complement, you know, leading up to Thanksgiving and all that. So yes, it comes with a dust bag. So, you know, when I'm done wearing it, I can just throw it in the closet or something. It comes with a purse strap, so if I want to wear it on my shoulder, I can, which I probably won't, at least for a couple more years. But I really like this bag. It's spacious and it's still structured. I like that, and it's a very soft faux leather, so I love that so much. It's so different. You're not gonna see the everyday girl wearing this purse, but maybe so say what's up, sis. But I love this. This is a great item to celebrate my birthday and 5K subscribers and being on YouTube for 6 years. I am so humbled. I'm so thankful for you all. But yes, I love this purse. This is thebomb.com. Yeah, this is a great Michael Kors bag, and I am not the Michael Kors girl unless it's a watch usually, but I'm starting to see, you know, tennis shoes. I'm starting to see other accessories, perfume, all that. So yeah, I really like, if there was a label that I admire the most, it is Michael Kors, because it's just not like, it's in between. It's a luxury brand, but it's still affordable for the everyday person. So it's kind of like an upscale, middle range luxury item. So I love it. This was on sale, so your girl secured it and all that. So thank y'all. I am going to enjoy this bag. So this is what it looks like. Fam, that is all for my birthday haul, little mini haul. And of course, I'm gonna catch you up with so many more things that I did, and if it's my thing, we're gonna do a lot. So this is it for today. Always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.